Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AXIC. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for your next build. We'll cover aspects such as compatibility, expansion options, and value for money, so stay tuned. Let's start with the technical specifications. The ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 supports the AM4 socket, DDR4 memory, and PCIe 4.0, making it a solid choice for mid-range builds. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AXIC is designed for the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, featuring the AM5 socket, DDR5 memory support, and PCIe 5.0. This gives the GIGABYTE board a significant edge in terms of future-proofing and performance capabilities. Next, let's discuss connectivity options. The ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and 1 gigabit LAN, which is suitable for most users. However, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AXIC takes it a step further, with Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits LAN, providing faster and more reliable internet connections, which is especially beneficial for gamers and content creators who require high bandwidth. Finally, let's talk about price. The ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 is priced at $119, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious builders. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AXIC comes in at $244, which reflects its advanced features and capabilities. Depending on your budget and performance needs, this could be a significant factor in your decision. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AXIC have their strengths and weaknesses. The ASUS board is a fantastic budget option for those looking to build a solid mid-range system, while the GIGABYTE board offers cutting-edge technology for high-performance builds. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.